Guys, it is a hot one out here today. Who would have thought? In the middle of September, it's like 84 degrees. I'm currently, I can feel them, standing on my potatoes. My potato patch is officially done. I told you guys I'd bring you back to see how much we got harvested. In this row, I believe I planted just under 15 pounds of potatoes, seed potatoes, at the beginning of the year. They are all done now, and it's time to harvest them. My last garden update video was a sad one. I showed you guys the storm damage that we got in the garden. If I'm not too hot and sweaty, when I'm done with this, I did bring some tools out to try to do some cleanup, but we'll see how much effort this takes. I think I'm chancing a little shower trying to blow in, so we're gonna try to get this done before the rain comes. Let's see how many potatoes we got. I'm gonna bring you guys down here and show you the soil real quick. This has always been a Ruth Stout garden. So it's never been amended. It started just grass 3 garden seasons ago that I just did a thick mulch of straw like here. And every year I've done the same with just tossing in some compost from our chicken coop and more straw material. And it's nice, but then you can easily break it apart. It's really good compost, natural material. You can see lots of leaves and small sticks. Really nice soil. Okay, that is hard work on my back. But I have, this bucket is probably over half full of potatoes. Can you guys see? Oh, sorry. Yeah. All the potatoes I got. I'm gonna be honest, I had issues with greening. So sunburn on my potatoes. I'm gonna tell you why. So last year, when I did my potato video, I had quite a bit of feedback from folks that said, you don't need to hill your potatoes. I never hill my potatoes. So this year, I didn't hill my potatoes. And I think because I used the Ruth Stout gardening method, and you guys, if you're familiar with it, nature takes course pretty fast with that method, and the straw and old hay or whatever you're using for your mulch layer really breaks down quick if you have a healthy environment, that the insects and the worms and the organisms are all doing their job. And there just wasn't enough left on top of it to protect it from the late summer sun. So I won't do that again. Now they won't go to waste. I'll just cut the green parts off and process them for my potatoes O'Brien, which is my favorite way to process and preserve my potatoes. So yeah, and so I was out here doing this all of 10 minutes maybe to harvest this row, and I actually weeded the whole thing while I was doing it. So the weeds are taken care of, and I'm always going to be the hugest proponent of Ruth Stout gardening that you'll probably meet next to Ruth Stout herself. So give it a try if you're in the environment where it is conducive. If you're in a super damp environment like Pacific Northwest or the UK or something like that, you're likely going to have slug problems. So I probably wouldn't recommend it for you guys. But anywhere that you are prone to some summer drought spells, It works great. If you have poor soil conditions and you're trying to add a lot of organic matter quickly to your soil, it's a great way to do it. At the end of the bed, I did go ahead and pull the 2 squash plants that were here. So there was 2 squash plants there, got those pulled. I'm gonna go ahead and get that one taken care of, and then we'll see what else we can get cleaned up out here. Look at that sweet potato! So fun! Go ahead and just pull a few sweet potatoes to have for dinner tonight. That's gonna be yummy. You guys, I think I'm gonna get a really good sweet potato harvest out of there. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. Todd showed up just in time to help me carry the big potato basket from the other side of the garden over here to where we have all the
oh, quit pointing that thing.
Where we have all the sunflower damage in my tomato garden. I did notice a couple of tomato plants did actually get knocked over from the storm. So if he wants, he can help me cut down sunflowers, or I'll do it by myself.
What else were you going to do?
Harvest potatoes, or tomatoes, while you cut down sunflowers if you wanted to.
I'll do a few.
Okay.
What are we going to do with them this year?
A lot of them are going to get fed to the goats.
You'll probably feed them these stalks too.
Yeah, I think so.
Who will care for the world now? Rest with me, close to curtains, brew some herbal tea. Reach out for me, take my hand and lead even when I disagree. Oh, how I love when it rains outside, and it's okay to slow the ride. Discover books I forget about.
Okay, I'm in the, what did I always call it? Kind of like my hugelkultur bed with where the barn clean out was laid, and I'm just pulling all the squash plants. I don't have any more zucchini coming on.
Some herbal tea. Reach out for me. Take my hand and lead even when I disagree. Maybe then I can relax. Maybe then I can relax.
These are all just crazy growing volunteer, not volunteer, but like extra random tomatoes.
Just rest with me, close to curtain, brew some herbal tea. Reach out for me, oh, and take my hand and lead even when I disagree. Rest with me, close the curtain, some herbal tea. Reach out for me and take my hand and lead, even when I disagree.
I don't know. We found a big thing of smut, and Todd asked if I'm gonna eat it with dirty fingers. I guess you have to, huh? This tastes like moldy corn. Oh, I wouldn't recommend it. Okay, last but not least, we are going to get this sad corn down and see if there's anything worth harvesting. So if not, it'll make some awesome fall decorations.
It's 5 o'clock in the morning, we're still going strong. We'll be dancing in the rain, we don't mind the cold. Oh no. And we won't ask for your forgiveness if things go wrong. Cause we are a different kind, not the one you have in mind. No, we're made of gold. Oh, gold.
Todd's grabbing the trailer so we can get, well, maybe not. I think he's going to do his job. I need to go get the trailer from Todd when he's done so I can get all this stuff pulled up to the house, let the potatoes cure, let these corn stalks dry out, pull off my 5 corn cobs that are probably good enough for eating. We did a good job though today out here cleaning up, and I feel good about where I am in the season. Disappointed that some of the things got hurt, but what are you gonna do? And hopefully my peas, I'm really happy to see all the buds on them, so I'm still hoping for my pea harvest. Still got a lot of green beans I got to get in today, but this video's been long enough, so I'm gonna let you guys go. Happy talking with you. Always love to take you guys out in the garden with me, show you the good, the bad, the ugly, whatever's going on. Talk to you guys later.